All right, let's be honest. How many of you have a stack of untouched notebooks just sitting there waiting for the perfect purpose? It's okay, me too. Maybe you love buying beautiful journals, got them as gifts, or just thought this one will finally make me organized, only to let them pile up on a shelf. Well, today I'm here to help. In this episode, we're going beyond the usual ideas and diving into 7 more creative and practical ways to finally put those notebooks to good use. Whether you're into creativity, productivity, or personal growth, there's something here for you. I am Elma Joy, a working professional, life coach, and content creator in San Diego, California. And whether you're tuning in on your morning walk, during your commute, or curled up at home, I'm so glad that you're here. All right, grab one of those blank notebooks and let's get started. Idea 1, daily reflection journal. Make every day meaningful. Do you ever feel like your days blur together? Keeping a daily reflection journal helps you slow down and appreciate each day. You don't need to write a novel. Just jot down a few thoughts on what went well, what you learned, or a highlight of your day. For example, I once started doing this during a stressful season of my life, and it helped me realize I was making more progress than I thought. Even small wins like drinking more water or handling a tough conversation well felt like little victories. So try this. Before bed, take 5 minutes to reflect on these journaling prompts. What went well today? What could be improved? And what is a moment that made you smile? Idea 2, a dream journal. Capture your subconscious thoughts. Our dreams can be funny or even deeply meaningful. A dream journal helps you track patterns and symbols in your dreams. Plus, it's fun to look back at the crazy stories your mind creates. I once had a dream where I reconnected with an old friend. It reminded me that I had a lot of people in my past and present supporting me and inspired me to continue to strengthen my friendships and relationships. So try this. Keep a notebook by your bed. As soon as you wake up, jot down any details from your dream, even if they don't make sense at first. You can even search for symbolism in a dream dictionary or search engine to dig deeper and reflect on what your subconscious is trying to tell you. Idea 3, gratitude journal, a simple habit that boosts happiness. Studies show that practicing gratitude can actually rewire your brain to focus on the positive. A gratitude journal is one of the easiest ways to build this habit. I started writing down 3 things I was grateful for each day, and over time, I noticed myself naturally looking for the good in my day. I try to write down something different each day so I don't put the same 3 things down every day. I find that I am able to list down even more than 3 things, and I'm grateful for when I really sit down and write. It's always a nice feeling. So try this. Every day, write down 3 things you are grateful for. They don't have to be big, just something as simple as a good cup of coffee counts. Idea 4, brain dump notebook. Clear mental clutter. Ever feel like your mind is just full? A brain dump notebook is a place to write down everything, to-dos, ideas, worries, reminders, so your brain doesn't have to hold onto them. I use mine whenever I feel overwhelmed. To start, I put my name in the middle of a sheet of paper, then draw lines with different areas of my life, like work, home, relationships, church, and creativity. Then add tasks and ideas for each area. Then I highlight the actions or ideas I will focus on. It's always a lot, but once it's on paper, I can prioritize instead of feeling scattered. Try this. Whenever your mind feels overloaded, grab a notebook and write down everything. No structure required, just get it out. Idea 5, finance tracker. Money can feel overwhelming, but keeping a finance tracker notebook helps you stay on top of spending, saving, and financial goals. When I was in my 20s, I had some credit card debt and I was living paycheck to paycheck. And to finally get ahead, I wrote down exactly how much was in my accounts, how much I owed and to who, and how much I spent on every purchase. Once I started tracking my income, spending, and budget, I was able to get control of my finances and get out of thousands of dollars of debt, and even build a healthy savings account for future goals and emergencies, which has helped me so much in my 30s. I also use my notebook to track my progress on savings goals and my No Buy Challenge habit. So try this. Use a notebook to track expenses, saving goals, and financial wins. Even a simple monthly budget can make a big difference. I recommend writing down all your assets, debts, monthly budget, and tracking spending. Idea number 6, meal planning and recipes journal. Make cooking easier. Ever get stuck wondering what to cook or eat? A meal planning and recipes journal helps you keep track of meals you love and plan ahead. I once spent way too much time every evening trying to decide what to cook or eat. Now I keep a list of my go-to meals, and planning my week takes 5 minutes. This planning allows me to order groceries and make sure I have everything I need to make delicious and nutritious food for the entire week instead of ordering takeout more often. This has benefited me by allowing me to eat healthier and more cost-effective meals. So try this. Use a notebook to jot down recipes you love, meal prep ideas, and grocery lists. Social media, friends and family, and cookbooks are great resources to tap into. Idea number 7, fitness and health journal. Stay on track with your goals. Whether you're into workouts, step goals, or just staying mindful of your health, a fitness and health journal is a great tool. I once started tracking my workouts just to stay accountable, and over time it became a motivator to keep going. By writing down what exercise I would do, along with the time, weight, and number of reps, I am able to track my progress in getting stronger and healthier. So try this. Track your workouts, meals, sleep, or even mood changes to notice patterns in your health. A great way to do this is in a habit tracker chart format, so you can see how consistent you are over time. Let's do a quick recap of the 7 ways you can use your notebooks. 1. Daily reflection journal. Capture meaningful moments. 2. Dream journal. Track your subconscious thoughts. 3. Gratitude journal. Boost happiness with small joys. 4. Brain dump notebook. Clear mental clutter. 5. Finance tracker. Stay on top of your money. 6. Meal planning and recipes journal. Make cooking stress-free. And 7. Fitness and health journal. Track progress and your well-being. I'd love to hear how you use your notebooks. Tag me at Elma Joy Quintana or leave a comment. And if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again for watching. Take care. And remember, you are enough.